been a while since I flew the drone, and I just wanted to do a little bit of testing with the flight. So I decided to sit out behind the camper and do a little testing. Fortunately, a train came by, so I made sure to stay away from the train tracks because I didn't want to, I know there's some FAA rules about that, but I got some good views of the train and a little bit of the campground and the area. So I hope you enjoy a little bit of Silver Summit RV Park and the surrounding area, a little bit of the views, and the train going by from Durango and Silverton. So, thanks for watching. This train, I think there's 2 or 3 trains that run every day from Durango to Silverton and back. You can either bus up and just take the train back. You can do a round trip on the train. There's lots of different options. So if you're interested, go look on their website and you can find out the difference between the diesel engines and the steam trains. And looks like a fun time. I've heard nothing but good things about it. So this was a great opportunity for me to look at the train and practice with the zooming in on the drone and a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed this. It gives you a chance to see a little bit of the train, and they say it's amazing views from the train all the way to Durango. If you do the round trip and you start in Durango, they'll bring you up and you have time to eat lunch here in Silverton and maybe shop for a little bit, and then it turns around and goes back. I think it said 5.5, 6 hour round trip. Something like that. I think 2.5 hours up, a layover for you to eat lunch and do a little shopping, and then 2.5 hours back down. So maybe an hour here in Silverton, something like that. You'd have to look at their site to be sure. I didn't double check all that. But a little bit of information, pretty cool to see, beautiful area. So just wanted to share. Well, I was about to land this, and then there was another train go by, so I had to stop and film the train. I mean, it's sort of a train. Does it count as a train? I'll let you be the judge of that. Here it is. Hold on, I'm getting there. As I said, it's been a while since I've flown the drone, so I had to re-practice everything. Does that count as a train to you? I don't know. I thought it's the one that they ran to test the tracks, but I thought I might as well film that before I landed. This may not be the right way or the wrong way, but it is a way to travel. Thanks for watching.